Here I have ALCATEL Pop S3, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon, find and select the settings. So here I have the settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the list, choose About Phone. Here you need to scroll down one more time and find the build number. Now let's tap a couple of times on build number, and as you can see, you are now a developer. So you can go back to previous list, and here under accessibility you've got developer options. Let's tap it. Here we can enable developer options by using this switcher tab. OK, and now you can use all the features from the following list. For example, you can enable USB debugging, so let's tap on USB debugging, tap OK, and now we just enable the USB debugging feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.